How to delete email messages in Outlook 2019. Go and click the icon of Outlook to open it. If you want to delete email from Outlook 2019, you can easily do so. However, if you use POP, the email is removed from your Outlook 2019 email client but remains on your mail server. If you use IMAP settings, the email will be removed both from your Outlook 2019 email client and the main email server. Click on the inbox of the email account to open it and to see received mails. Now right-click on the email you wish to delete. Now click the Delete option. That's it. The selected message has been removed from the inbox. Now you know how to delete email messages in Outlook 2019. Thank you for watching.